Gen X is quietly starting over broke and nobody's talking about it. We were supposed to have everything figured out by now. At this age, we were supposed to have homes, retirements filled, hold secure jobs, and finally enjoy the lives that we spent 30 years building. But instead, many of us are beginning again with debt, damaged credit, no money, and absolutely how you're going to retire. You don't talk about it. We smile, go to work, post ordinary pictures on Facebook, and pretend everything is fine because you were taught that financial struggle is how it is. Some of us lost everything in divorce. Some spent years caring for children, adults, aging parents, or sick spouses. Some were destroyed by medical bills, failed businesses, layoffs, addiction, divorce. Others did everything that you were supposed to do and still watched inflation, housing costs, wages move the finish line farther and farther. And now we're exhausted, embarrassed, and secretly terrified. Not because we're unwilling to work. We all worked because we've already worked for 30 years and somehow we ended at the starting line again. Truth. Being broke at this age does not mean that your life is over, but pretending you're not broke will keep you there. You can't rebuild a financial life that you refuse to acknowledge. Open the bills, add up the debt, look at what comes in and goes out. You got to change something. Get rid of what you don't need, cancel what you can't afford. Take the second job, start a small business. Learn a new skill, ask for help before it explodes. Stop spending money to convince people you don't know that you're doing great. You don't need a newer car, expensive clothes, a bigger house, credit cards for vacation. No. Right now, success might look like downsizing, rebuilding your credit, putting $50 into savings when you can. That's not failure. That is recovery. Starting over broke is so frightening. Starting over honestly is the most powerful thing that you can do. You still possess something that you didn't have when you were younger. Experience. You understand scams, bad partners, empty promises, and emotional spending. You know how quickly you can lose everything. And now you can use those lessons. You're not going to get all that money back that you wasted, but you can stop losing the years that you have left. Comment I'm in if you're starting over so I can see you starting over with me. Love you guys. Appreciate you watching, and I see you on the next one.